Alright guys, some of you guys have been asking me also must pay, how can we clone a website, how can we copy a website and upload it to our cPanel, how can we clone a Bitcoin investment website, how can we clone an NFT or a crypto investment website and be able to manage it as an admin. So today I am going to show you all of that for free. So let's take a look at this website. This website is called Metaverse Exchanger. Of course, I don't know who owns this website, but I am going to be cloning this website and be able to manage this website and can get people to come and invest in this website, right? So if we look at this Metaverse Exchanger, we look at the website, say experience more than trading experience, right? More than trading. So effective partners, look at the people they claim they are partnering with them: Coinbase, Microsoft, Luno, and Coinbase, and all of these people. So if we scroll down, what is Metaverse Exchanger? This briefly describe what Metaverse Exchange is all about. I am going to show you how you can change this Metaverse Exchanger, change this logo and all of that, then turn it into your own company's name, right? So what you're going to do, let's scroll down. What is Forex? What is cryptocurrency? Basically, this Metaverse Exchanger investment platform, it is centered around Forex investment, cryptocurrency investment, and what again, they talks about metaverse, they talks about NFTs, and interestingly this platform has an affiliate program. Look at it here, they have an affiliate program and all of that, right? So you don't want to spend a lot of time trying to build this kind of website from scratch, right? What you want to do is that you want to come and copy this website, then you now edit it to suit your own institution, right? And again, you want to be able to have access to the dashboard and all of that, right? So I am going to be showing you all of that, right? So quickly, let's again look at an interesting part of this website. It has a recent deposit and what recent withdrawals. Look at the people that have latest deposit. These are the people that have deposited. These people deposited through Bitcoin. Of course, if you are doing something related to Bitcoin investment websites, you need to be, your payment needed to be through blockchain, through Bitcoin, right? So look at the latest deposit and these are the latest withdrawals, right? So if we scroll down, we can see a lot of futures in this website. That's an affiliate program, I've already said that, right? So once you click on register, you are going to start registering immediately on this platform. So I am going to show you how to change all of this logo and every other thing. This support mail, I am going to show you how you can create a webmail for a customized company webmail for your business. So change this address in case you want to do that. I am going to be showing you all of that. This Metaverse Exchanger stuff, I am going to be showing you all of that. So quickly, let's delve in. Again, this is Hustle Must Pay channel and I am showing you all these things for free. I want you to go and do it yourself in case you don't have money to spend paying a web designer to a web developer to develop a Bitcoin investment website for you that you want to use for any kind of work. I want you to be able to do that step by step and for free of charge. So which this thing are we going to use? Which software are we going to use to clone this website? The software that we're going to use to clone this website is called ATT Tracker. ATT Tracker, right? So ATT Track website copier. Once I click on this ATT Track website copier, it is going to load the software, right? So look at the software interface. what I am going to do is just simply click on next, right? Then name the project. I want to say what? A crypto investment copy, crypto investment website copy, right? Crypto investment website copy, investment website copy. That should be the name of the project, and I am going to go ahead and click next. Right, so once I click next, it is going to ask me to what? Put the web URL of the website that you want to copy. In this case, the URL of the website I want to copy is called Metaverse Exchanger, right? So let me quickly copy that, metaverseexchanger.com. So I'll copy that and come and paste it here, right? So once I do that, right, so Metaverse Exchanger, and I'm going to click on what? Next. So next, and what again? You say what is it? Do I need nothing else to set up here? You just what? Click on finish and wait for this thing to download. Boom. Wait for it to download. It's going to take some little time depending on the size and number of files that are on this website. It is going to take a little time to download. Just wait for it to download, right? Alright, it is downloading. You can see it was downloading. Number of files written here is saying 65. It is downloading. So let's wait for it to download, right? Downloading. It is going to download all the website pages. It's going to download all the website pages in this website. It's going to download all of that. Is going to download all of that. Download the home page, the about us page, and all of that. It is going to download all of that. Download our services section and how it works, right? How it works. 3 easy ways to start. Create account, register an account to build an investment portfolio. Then you now fund your account and invest and withdraw. That is how it works. All right, so wait for it to download. Let me check if it has finished downloading. Let me check. Okay, it's still downloading. Guys, be patient. It's still downloading. Let's wait for it to download. Right, so right, boom. Yes, it say what? Mirroring operation is complete. That means that the copying operation has been what? Executed successfully. So what we are going to do is what? Quickly click on what? Finish. Boom. And what? Say what? We are done. So what we are going to do is what? We are going to find where this file is saved in our PC. Then we are going to upload it to our cPanel. Naturally, before you start all of this stuff, you first have to what? Get a domain name and hosting, because that is where your website is going to reside. Then your domain name should be the name of your website. What do you want your website to be called? Like this, just like this website that we just cloned. The domain name for this website is metaverseexchanger.com. You can decide to call your name your own Bitcoin or crypto investment website. You can decide to call it HODL NFT Exchange, HODL Must Pay NFT Exchange. You can call it Pro BTC Mining, Crypto Mining, right? Cryptomining.com or cryptomining.net, cryptomining.org, and all of that. Just choose a name that looks professional, right? So before you can be able to do this, you need a name that looks so professional. So once you get a name that looks professional, then let me quickly show you where you can get your domain name and hosting. So the domain name I use normally is called Bluehost. So let me quickly show you that. Bluehost. So once you get to Bluehost, right, there is a link in the description below that you are going to follow to get a domain name with Bluehost, right? So once you get to Bluehost is going to give you a domain name and hosting and all of the package you need to put up this your investment website online. So once you get to Bluehost, it will tell you web hosting done right. So why do I recommend Bluehost? In Bluehost on websites, some name, or do they call it, some domain name providers, when you upload your BTC or BTC investment website, they quickly drop it. That means they quickly ban them and your website will not be active online. But when you use Bluehost as your hosting provider, you are not going to be facing all of that. And again, the link in the description, there's a link in the description, that is a link I've personally gotten from Bluehost. If you use this link, you are not going to be charged somewhere around $29.5. you will be charged far lesser, right? And they are going to give you free domain name and hosting, right? So that is what you are going to be getting when you use that link. So they are going to give you free domain name for first 1 year. That means instead of you paying for the domain name, you are going to be getting it for free. What you are going to be paying is just for your hosting. Again, they are going to give you a free SSL certificate. If you don't know what is SSL certificate, look at what it means. This is saying once you click on this padlock sign here, once you click on it, it is going to show you that your connection is secure. You know, when you want to do something like a Bitcoin investment website, you want people to trust you. You want people to be able to share their personal information with you on the website. So you needed to give them that idea of that your website is secure. Assuming this website is not secure, it is going to show that your website is not secured, right? So once you are purchasing this domain name and hosting through this affiliate link that I have personally collected from Bluehost, they are going to give you free domain name, free SSL certificate, that is free secured socket layer, free network security. What you just paying is just a small amount of money for the hosting, right? So once you click on that link, just click on what? Host your site. Host your site. So they are going to ask you which of the packages do you need. Do you need the basic plan, which is around $2.95 per month? You need the plus plan, which is around this amount per month, $5.45, or the choice plus. If you want to do this Bitcoin or crypto investment website, just go for this basic package. It is going to come up with everything that you'll be needing for that, right? So with this basic package, you are going to be able to do everything that I'm showing you in this tutorial, right? So remember, once you are using the affiliate link, you are going to save close to 90% of what you'll be paying. You are not going to be paying for what? The domain name. You are not going to be paying for the SSL certificate. So once you click on this, it is going to ask you to select a domain name. What do you want your website to be called? So for instance, I want it to be called Auto Investments. All right. So once I click on this, it is going to search if this Hustle Investment is available. Once it is available, it is going to tell, oh wow, All right, so you see the domain also investment is available, right? So once it is available, you go ahead and fill in these details, your name, so usually for this kind of websites, you don't want to come and start using your real details for all of that. So what you want to do is that you want to what, make sure that everything is what, as clean as possible. You want to leave a clean sheet, right? So what I want you to do is what, you go to this website called fakenamegenerator.com. So go to fakenamegenerator.com, and you are going to generate a fake name and all of that, and use it and come and fill all of these details, right? So you can decide to what, random name generator. Let me check a male American. If you want an American, you want a Brazilian, you can decide to go for that. All right, so you want any country you want, you can select. If you want it to be Netherlands, all right. So once it is generated, you can come and use all of these details and fill up this in. Again, you don't use this email address to fill up this one. You are going to create maybe just a temporary email address for this thing, because it is in this email address that they are going to send you the login details to your cPanel. The login details to your cPanel. I am going to show you what a cPanel looks like. So just use these details to fill in this form in Bluehost. Once you fill all of that, then when you get to this point, just create a mail on Gmail that you have access to, then put it here. When they send you this, you are going to be able to receive the email and be able to what, continue with your stuff. So I want you, before you after filling all the details, I want you to come here and uncheck this. Once it says yeah, I really don't mind, turn it off. Say uncheck this again, uncheck this again, and the price is going to reduce again to $35. That is why I'm advising you to use that affiliate link. If you are not using that affiliate link, you are not going to be able to do all of this. Assuming you look at the original price when I've not unchecked all these stuff, the price was around $182. That is around 100,000 naira. But once you follow my step, follow through the affiliate link, and you uncheck this, and uncheck this, boom, the price now dropped from $182 to $35. You can imagine the massive slash, right? So $35 is around 15,000, 16,000 naira in the Nigerian currency. So quickly do that, then come here and input your card details. The card details that you should use, there is an app called Kelasha. Just go download Kelasha, fund it with around 20,000 naira and use it and come and pay here, right? Once you've paid, they are going to send you the cPanel details to the email address you provided it. Again, I told you, make sure you use an email address you have access to. Then all of these details that are here, fill them with the details you got from fake name generator, right? So cool. Once you are done with that, so let's continue. You have gotten a domain name and hosting. So look at, once they have sent you your cPanel login details, look at the way your cPanel is going to look like. awesomemustpay.com/cPanel. You will be able to access your cPanel through that. So once you access your cPanel, we are going to continue working from here, from your cPanel. So allow it to load. So the details that Bluehost is going to send you will look like this. They are going to send you the login details to your cPanel. Your username and your password will be there. and you are going to be able to log into your cPanel. Alright, currently we are in our cPanel. Look at the way the cPanel looks like. From the cPanel, your website cPanel, you can be able to create a lot of things. From here you can be able to create a custom email, something like admin@hustlemustspay.com, support@hustlemustspay.com, and all of that. And what again you want to, any form of email that you want to create, I am going to be showing you all of that. So if you look at it, it's an email account. If you want to create an email account, say I want to create an email account for this new website that I'm about to create. So it is going to what? Say, look at the email accounts that I already have existing here. I have an email, admin@hustlemustspay.com, support@hustlemustspay.com, and update@hustlemustspay.com. So I want to go ahead and show you how you can create your own email, company email address. Once you get to this point, you get to your cPanel, click on email account, and it will get you here. Then click on create. Alright, so once it says, shows this, you say what do you want the name of your this thing to be. So I want to name it investment, right? Investment. So once I've done that, ideally if you want to create yours, you want it to be something like support. Already I have an email created already, and the name is support. If you want to create for support, you just, what you need to do is to type support here, support, and it is going to, for now we are creating for investments, right? So you want to enter a password. You can decide to enter a password manually, but I'm just going to generate, right? It is going to generate a password for me. What I'm going to do is this: I am going to copy this password and save it in somewhere. Save it, make sure it's saved. I am going to save it somewhere in my notepad. Alright, you have to keep all of these stuff safe. So the name of this email is what? Investments at hustlemustspay.com, hustlemustspay.com, right? hustlemustspay.com, right? So I want to save in the password. Look at the password, right? Email. Let me make sure I save it correctly. Email. You call it webmail. Your company webmail. So you want to make sure all these details are saved. Once you've saved all of this stuff there, you can come and click on what? Create, and wait for some seconds, and it is going to create for you, right? So you can look at it, it has been created successfully. So investment@hustlemustspay.com. This is the company email address that you want to be using on your websites. Like I told you, you can decide to use support, you can decide to use admin, and all of that. You can create as many webmail as possible. Once you purchase your domain name through Bluehost, you can be able to purchase as many webmail. You can be able to create another webmail. Simply come here and say what? Create, and you'll be able to create another webmail. So when you want to access your webmail, you want to view the content of your webmail, just come and click on what? Check webmail, right? It is going to load. It is going to load for you. It is going to load for you. This is where you can be able to access your webmail. So once you click, you come here, you say what? Say what? Open automatically what? Open open my inbox when I log in. Open, and click on open here, open here, open here. So it is going to take you to your inbox. So look at your webmail. You can decide to send someone an email from this position. You can decide, once you click on compose, and what, so from investment, any mail that you are sending from here is going to be carrying this, your company email address and all of that, right? So subject, you type your subject. I am not here to show you how to create a webmail. Maybe in a separate video I can show you all of that. What we are here to do is just how to set up your what, how to create your official, your company webmail, so that you can make it look legit, right? So this is where, in case they send you an email, want to make sure you give them this, your email address. When they send an email to you, you come here and check it, your mail, your inbox, it is going to drop here, right? So already I've showed you how to get to this position. All you needed to do, from your cPanel, click on check mail. Once you click on check mail, then it is going to take you to this position, right? So let's continue. So once you've been able to access your cPanel, you are going to upload those files that we've downloaded to this cPanel. So let me show you something. All right, so once you are in your cPanel, we can now go ahead and upload the website that we have copied. Remember guys, you can as well copy any kind of website using this strategy that I've showed you, right? Ideally, this kind of information that I'm providing you here with, I charge $2,000, then 500,000 naira if I am going to charge you, if I am going to show you all these secrets, but I am providing it for you here for free. So you can go ahead, use this website copy, and copy any kind of website you want to copy, and come and upload it on your cPanel, right? So once you get to this one, so what we want to do now is we want to find where the file in our system, the file that we just downloaded, that is the website, where is it, where can we see it, what was the name? I say what, investment website copy, can I find it? Investment website copy out. All right, where is it? Investment, where is it? Can I find it? All right, let me just go through my system and find it. So that is the file that we are going to upload. So alright, so once you are in this position, what you want to do is come and look for your PC. Under your PC, look at local, then look under your local, you see what, my website. It depends on where the file is saved in your system. So under this website, I have what, crypto investment website copy. So inside this crypto investment website copy, I want to go inside this copy and what, look at what I need to upload to my cPanel. This www.metaverseexchanger.com, that is what I want, the file I will need to what, upload to the cPanel, to the control panel, right? So I want to do something like this. I'll say right click, I'll right click that and say what, send to, I'll now say send to compressed. I want to zip that file. listen, before you can be able to upload any file to your cPanel, your control panel, you need to what? You need to what? Zip it. So that is what I just did now. So look at this file is what we are going to upload on our cPanel, right? So let's go to our cPanel and upload that right away. So okay, we are on our cPanel. So once you get to your cPanel, just quickly go to this search bar here. The search bar here, type file manager, file manager, file manager, file manager. Yes, here is it. Click on file manager and it's going to take you to your file manager. So once you get to the file manager, this is a this you can see there are already lots of files in this file manager. But ideally, when you have this file manager, when you purchase a new domain name, you are not going to be seeing all of this. Already you have I have a lot of websites here. I have a real estate website here. I have a logistic cargo website. I have a logistic website here, and I have an e-commerce website, and there is even also a banking website in this website. So but when you purchase a domain name, you are not going to be seeing all of this. It is going to look virgin, right? Everywhere is going to be neat and tidy. So what, no matter what I want you to do is this: locate a place called public_html. Look at it here, public_html. Click on it, right? So like I told you, there are already some files in this place. If you have your website new and nothing is there, you are not going to be seeing all of this. So just follow my step. Since you are getting a new website, just come to this public_html. Once you get to this point, I want you to go ahead and create a folder, and we want to name it crypto investment. Okay, I have already a website there called crypto investment. All right, so crypto investment. So let me just call it 2, and I want to create a folder. All right, so I have a website now. I have a folder in this position called crypto investment. So inside this crypto investment, I am going to go ahead and upload that website that we have copied into this position. So once I click on upload, I want to go ahead and locate where I've saved that file, right? So I have saved the file here. It is in my PC, under my PC, in my local disk. Under my local disk, it is located on my website, and inside my website I have a crypto investment website copy. I am going to go find the compressed file. You need to call what you will upload to the cPanel is your zip file, right? So you click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to appear here, and you click on what? Open. Alright, so let's go. It is going to load. Allow it to load, allow it to upload. Wait for it, give it a little time to upload. Give it a little time to upload. Alright, it has uploaded. Make sure this bar ticks green and it's what, 100%. Once it's done that, you can go back to your cPanel. Alright, so look at the file here, www.metaverseexchanger.com. That is the file you just uploaded. I want you to go ahead, click on this file, right click on it, and what say extract. Right, so extract the file and click on extract again. So once you are done with that, you click on what, close. So this is the file you just extracted. So go ahead and delete this. Right click on it and say what, delete. Right, confirm the action. So once you've deleted this, I want you to look at, open this file, double click on it. These are the what, website pages on this website. So we have already succeeded in what, uploading this website to our what, our cPanel. So what I want you to do is this. I want you to come and copy all of these files. Once you are in this position, click on what, select all. Right, click on select all and click on move. Somewhere around here, locate it, move and move it to where do you want to move it to? Move it to what, public_html crypto investment 2. That is the folder where we want this website to be. So I am going to delete and get to this point. So once we get to this point, now say what, move. Boom, the files will be moved, and boom, we are done. We have successfully been able to copy this website and upload it to our control panel, and we can now manage this website. We can now go ahead and start telling people to what, invest. Once they invest, right, invest through the website, we can use the money to trade or whatever, then give them return on investment. So how do we know, how do we access this website? So quickly go to what, hustlemustpay.com/. remember, there are already some websites in hustlemustpay.com. so what I want to, where this website will be located is in this directory. It will be located in this directory /crypto investment 2. That is where it will be located, right? So once I click on enter, it is going to show me all of that. So you see, so this, boom, look at it, boom, in less than 15 minutes we are able to create this website. Awesome. So look at it. This website was originally on MetaverseExchange.com, but using this strategy, we have been able to copy this website and bring it to what, hustlemustpay.com. So the same thing will happen when you register your domain name, get it from Bluehost. You are going to do the same thing, copy this website, or even copy another website that you see, just copy it, upload it to your control panel, and boom, in less than 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you are good to go. So once you've uploaded all of these, right, you have uploaded it, boom, see, the website is now active, live. So like I told you, since you are going to be the one managing this website, you need to change some things, right? You need to change the logo, you need to change the company name. Anyway, you can find the company name here, you make sure you change it to your own company name. So you want to make sure you change this, you want to make sure you change this, what again, anyway you find Metaverse Exchange, you make sure you change it to your company name. All right, so you go ahead. So how are we going to do this? Change this to your company name. So the company name that we are going to be using is what? Hustle Exchange. Hustle NFT Exchange. So Hustle NFT Exchange, just that is for practical purpose. If you want to use this thing for any kind of job or work, of course you need to get a professional, you need to calm down and get a professional name for yourself, right, before you even go ahead and register that on Bluehost. So once you are in this position, so right, so what we're going to do now is go ahead and change all these stuffs, all this logo. And what again, what are we going to change, what do we need to change, and all of that I've shown you. So you can come here, canva.com, and design a logo for yourself or for your new crypto investment website, right? Allow it to load. I want to get, so you, let's get a logo, so let's search for logo, create a design, and want to go ahead and create a logo. So create a logo. Of course you mustn't create this logo yourself. You can give it to a good graphic designer and he's going to do a fantastic job for you. Mustn't do everything yourself. Give it to a graphic designer, a good graphic designer that knows what's up, and he's going to do a good job for you. So I am going to just pick something here, because remember we just want to do it fast. Just get, let me just put a test here, put a test, where do I get it, a heading, and I'll go ahead and say what, Hustle Exchange, Hustle Crypto, and NFT, Hustle Crypto and NFT, and again also crypto and NFT, crypto NFT investments, NFT investments. So I just want to make this thing simple. I want to leave it simple, right? I don't want to make it just, I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it simple. Just want to keep it simple, right? So I want to keep it simple. So I want to just come here and search for BTC, Bitcoin. I want to search for Bitcoin, and I'll come here on images. I'll come and select this, what, Bitcoin. I'll put this, maybe I should just select this, I want to just put something there, right? So I think this is cool. I'll just right click and save image as save image, BTC image. So I'll make save. I want to make sure, I want to remove the background of this image. I'll go to remove.pg. I'll say remove, right? Remove.pg is going to load. Once it loads, so I am going to upload that file and make sure I remove the background. So upload, wait for it to see what, quick access, just BTC image, that's the image we just downloaded, and I say what, remove the background, and BTC remove.bg will remove the background, right? So I'll go ahead and click what, download. download. That is what I'm going to be using for my logo design. So under this place, where is it? So yeah, then yeah, so hustle logo. Under this place, I want to go ahead and say what? Upload this, upload quicker text. This stuff I just downloaded. Where is it? Good, this is it. So I am going to what? Open. Good. Allow it to load. Of course, you are not going to be doing all of this once you give it to a graphic designer to design with. What you just needed to do is just to get the stuff ready. So look at it. This is our logo, right? So we just want to do it because this is not that too good. I just want to do something. Let's do it. It's not that too good, but we just have to go with it. FT crypto. Just want to do it. I'm just showing you. Make sure you get a good logo, because you don't want people to come and invest in trash. You don't want people to come and start saying that you are not serious in business. You want to make sure you take your time and get a good logo, right? So make sure you do that. So once you do this, I want to go ahead and change the color of this. Let me change it to maybe say orange or even blue. And it's stuff, also crypto, NFT, all of that. So again, I'm not advising you to use this kind of logo. Make sure you get a quality logo for your listing. I'm just showing you this for a tutorial purpose. If I am going to design a logo, I am going to take time and make sure I get a quality logo, right? So I'm going to just say download. Once I download that, download, I want to go and upload it. So normally before I download it, it will make sense I go ahead and remove the background again. Let me remove the background so that it will not be on white background. Make sure the logo you'll be using should be something that does not have a background, so that it will be able to overlap and match with the background. Alright, so look at what I just downloaded. So I am going to go ahead and remove the background. So this is it. It doesn't have background right now. Alright, so I'll go ahead and click on download. It has downloaded. So I am going to come to this position. Where is the website? Where is it here? So look at the website here. So if you want to change this logo, look at the way you are going to change this logo. You just come to this logo, right click on this logo and say what? Copy image address. Once you copy image address, you come here and say what? Paste the image address. You're going to see what? This image is located somewhere under your what? Bitcoin crypto investment. You now have it. Okay, look at the way you are going to locate to it to change this logo. If you go to public_html, which is your hustlemustpay.com.ng, then under that you go to crypto investment. Under crypto investment, you come to titcoincryptocurrency.com. Then go there. Under that you have cloud, app, and images, and the name of the image that you want to change is mining.jpg. So you want to make sure that this image that you saved it with miny.jpg. So let me go ahead and do that. Show in folder miny.jpg, and I am going to what? Edit the name. I am going to edit the name. I am going to rename this. I am going to rename it to what? miny.jpg. Make sure the names are miny.jpg. I want to cross check to be sure. Miny. Make sure the cases, the letters here is small letter, right? So I want to make sure they are the same. So once I get to this position, I'll say what? Right. Rename it as miny. Rename miny. So I am going to save it. Right. I am going to save it miny. So once I go to this place, I'm going to close all of this. So once I get to this position, I am going to go to my cPanel. Other cPanel. Where is my cPanel? Look at my cPanel here. So in my cPanel, go to public_html, locate crypto investment 2. Under crypto investment 2, you are going to see Teeth crypto investment, which is this. You say what? You right click, you double tap on it, and it will open on cloud, open on app, double click, and under images you want to go ahead and replace this miny.jpg. So once you click on it, you see what? Upload. Right, click on upload, and it's going. So once you click on, go ahead and what? Select. Go ahead and select. So where is it? So this is it. Click it and what? Upload, and you allow it to load. And make sure it's green. Then once it's green, you go back. You are good to go. Oh, it didn't replace. Replace this. Make sure you are replacing this. Replace this. Upload. Upload. Click. You want to combine and override? Yes. Go ahead and override. Then go back. Good. It has replaced that. So once we get to this place, where is it? Yes, here. So once I refresh, it is going to do that. It is going to reflect. It's going to issue reflect. Let me hard refresh. Let me do hard refreshing. Control F5. That is hard refreshing. Oh, it has not propagated. Just give it a little time. It is going to propagate. Let me check for on an incognito tab. It should have been propagated there. Oh, this is the network stuff. You have to give it new incognito. So once I paste this here and I check, it should have propagated. Is it taking time? Is it taking time to propagate? Control F5. Control F5. Oh no. I know what's the problem. think I know what the problem is. It has to be the file format. Wait, I remove this. Very good. Okay. So mining, edit, I want to edit it. Edit, so you want to make sure you save this file in the same format as this. Save as mining.jpg. Save it like this. Awesome. Okay. Good. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and upload this logo to our cPanel, right? So how do we locate our position? How do we come to public_HTML? Remember where the image is saved in. Under that, you go to Crypto Invest, go to this position, Tcoin, and you locate it as cloud. Under cloud, you see app, you are going to see images. So this image is what you want to go ahead and what replace. So I want to say what do I want to do? I want to upload. I want to upload. So I am going to upload. Select where I save the file. Mining. Where can I find it? Can I find it? I need the mining. Oh gosh. We're putting all of this stuff. I think this is the correct one. So that should be it. Mining. So how we go ahead and what he said, do you want to continue your upload and override this file? I will say yes. I will say yes. And then go back. So it should propagate. So once I get to this position, I'll say refresh. You should change that logo. Oh my god, that won't change. Should change that logo. Yes, so it has changed the logo. So usually when you want to do this, you want to make sure that you remove the BG of this logo. It's like I selected the wrong logo, right? That's why you are seeing it like this. Ideally you want to select a sizable logo, say a reasonable size that will cover this position, right? So that is how you are going to change that logo. So once you come here, what again do we need to change? So we want to change this. we want to change all these metaverse and all of that. So we have this metaverse, we want to go and change it, right? So where do we change it? We just come here under that same public underscore HTML. Let's locate our crypto investment. Remember, crypto investment. Once you locate your crypto investment, go ahead and locate public underscore HTML. Sorry, locate index.html. That is where you are going to make all of those edits, make changes. Say what? Edit again, edit again. So you want to make those edits, want to make those changes. Just follow it step by step. It is not hard. Just follow it. Make sure you follow it step by step. Make sure you follow it step by step. You are going to be able to do all this. Just follow it step by step. So once you are in this place, what you want to do is what? You want to find those places that there are metaverse exchanges and replace it with your own name. Say what? Control find, Control F. So what? Say what? You paste this thing. So you want to say find. It is going to show you what? This. You don't want, that's not what you need. Want the metaverse exchange that is located here at about us. So you find it. Say what? So is what? Trading. Metaverse exchange. Find metaverse exchange. So look at it. Now bar. You have this container. You have this. So want to just change this metaverse exchange, or that's not what you're looking for. Want to change next. Yes, exactly what you are looking for is here. What is metaverse exchange? What is metaverse exchange? So you want to go ahead and change it with what? What is what? So how are you going to edit the metaverse exchange and all of that? So what you want to do is what? You want to come to public underscore HTML. Under that, you click on public underscore HTML to load. You go to the folder where our website is, click on crypto investment, and once you get here, you locate your what? Index.html. So click on it, then right click, say what? Edit again. Once you are there, you are going to locate where those metaverse exchange are, and you want to go ahead and change them. Allow it to load. It's loading. It is loading. It is loading. So once it has loaded, you want to just come to this place, title. If you look at this place, when you click here, it's going to tell you what? Forex Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, cryptocurrency and option and all of that. And you see metaverseexchanger.com. If you want to change that metaverseexchanger.com to your own website, you want to come to this position, this title, this place you have title, come to that position and look for what? metaverseexchanger.com. I will highlight it and change it to HODL crypto and NFT, crypto and NFT, right? So once I've changed that, I am going to find any other place that I can see metaverse exchange and replace that. So I am coming down, so under about us, that is where you see metaverse exchange. So let me locate it. Just have to take your time and locate all of this stuff. Locate it. So what is, look at it here, I have on line 208. Say what is metaverse exchanger? What is metaverse exchanger? 1 2 3. What is also crypto and NFT investments. Right, so once you've done that, there is another place. What is investment? You want to click on that and copy it so that you'll not be spending your time trying to write it. Control copy. So once you get it, there is another that starts explaining, say metaverse exchange, and just copy it and replace that and replace all of that. So another place you need to do is this. Find metaverse exchange. Anyway you see, replace it. Find metaverse exchange. I am looking for it. I can't find it here. So look at it here again. So why trade with metaverse exchange investments? I am going to replace it. Ctrl V. Say why trade with also crypto and NFT investments. So you replace it. So is there anywhere I can see metaverse exchange again? I am going to scroll down. So again, yes, this is it again. Earn bonus points when you refer someone to metaverse exchange. That is for the affiliate stuff. So I am going to copy that and replace that with my own company name, right? So I am going to come down and find if there is anywhere I can see metaverse exchange. Let me locate it. In fact, if you want to edit your packages, it is here that you are going to come and edit your packages. Minimum deposit of $200, maximum package deposit of $20,000. So, and all of this daily earning 1.3%. so if you want to do that, you come here and effect those changes. So I'm still changing metaverse exchange. Let me find them and replace everything. Make sure you replace everything. Must make sure you replace everything before you start inviting people to come and invest in your website. Right, so I think we are done. I think we are done. Anything I didn't remember to fix here, just make sure you drop it on the comment section. Say, sir, please, how do I fix this thing, and I will quickly reply you on how to do that. Right, I am here to help you to achieve all of this for free of charge. So cool. So I think we are done with that. So what I am going to do right away is to go and save changes. I am going to go and save changes. Method, there is a metaverse changer here. Let me replace that. It has been replaced. So what again do I need to replace? I can't see it. I just didn't see it now. So good. Alright, there is another metaverse exchanger here to replace. So this is the copyright. This position, we want to replace it. This copyright stuff, we want to replace it. We come over here, copyright 2022 metaverse exchanger. I want to go ahead and what, replace it. Alright, result. So we are good to go. So what I want to do is what, go ahead and save changes. Go ahead and save changes. I'm having kata. Sorry. So once you refresh, see, all of these stuffs are going to refresh. So we are good to go. So yes, it has what, also crypto and NFT investments. You can see that. Wow. You can see that. Any stuff you feel you want to change it, you can go ahead and change it. What is also crypto and NFT investment? You see, wow, and all of that. So any place you see metaverse exchange or something you don't like, go ahead and replace that. Right? Why trade with also crypto and NFT investment? All of that. You see, it has changed, it has been reflected, and you are able to achieve this in less than 1 hour. Right? So we are good to go. You can go ahead and start telling people to invest. So again, there is a challenge we have here, and what is that? So when we click on login, when people click on login, want people to click on login, you are going to have a serious challenge. And what is that challenge going to be like? When people sign in here and register, you are not going to have access to this admin. You will not be able to control that. So we have a challenge, and what are those challenges? The challenge is this, is that when people want to invest, you know that you're an investor, they need to have a dashboard, right? So that is what you want to do. When people click on join us, you want to take them to a dashboard that you have control over. So currently this dashboard that you're looking at, is managed by the Metaverse Exchange platform that we downloaded this news on, which is not right. We want to be able to have control over this dashboard, right? So what we are going to do is that we are going to create our own custom dashboard. Once we create our own custom dashboard, we are going to connect it to this our website, and people can be able to register, and we can be able to see that as an admin. We can be able to fund people, deposit people, load people, load accounts, right? So let me quickly show you that. So for you to be able to do that, you will need a script, a back-end script, an admin back-end script, and an admin dashboard. This script will contain your admin dashboard, your users dashboard, and you will be able to manage your users as the admin. From this script, you can be able to manage your users from the admin end. So I am going to show you all of that. So let's continue. So this back-end script, this dashboard, admin dashboard, I am going to be uploading it from my system. I already have the back-end, the admin script, right? So look at the script here. This script contains both the main back-end and the database. This database allow you, this is where all your users information will be set. You can be able to have access to them, right? So this is the two files. So we are going to be uploading them to our cPanel, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So I am going to go to cPanel, my cPanel public_html. Right, I am going to create a folder for that. I am going to create a folder for that. I am going to create a new folder here. I am going to see what, name it as crypto backend. Let me call it crypto backend. Right, that is where I am going to be uploading that script to, right? So I am going to say what, create new folder. I am going to create it inside this folder, right? So I am correct. Good. Right. So once I get here, I am going to locate crypto backend. Look at crypto backend, right? So this is where I am going to upload that script that I just showed you, right? So I am going to select. Once I click on select, I am going to find where I save this on my system. So this is it. You upload. Make sure you are uploading a zipped file, right? So once you do that, allow it to load. Allow it to load. Load. Depending on network, you can see the file size is about 42.52 MB, right? So depending on your network stability, it should load faster. It is loading. Allow it to load. Of patience, it's loading. while this is loading, I want us to go and create the database, right? So let's go and create the database. So for you to create the database, I want you to come here and search for database, right? You say MySQL database wizard. You click on this and you are going to create a database. So database allows you to what? Set up. This is where you can manage your users, you can be able to manage all their details and all of that, right? So we want to create a database. We want to call it DBB. Let's call it DBB4, right? So we'll call it DBB4. Make sure you save all of this. Next step. So what do you want? Create a new database. Create a database username. Call it investment. So this password generator, you want to make sure you generate your password for yourself. So make sure you remove some of all this. Want to remove this. Want to remove all these special characters so that it will not give issues. At times it do clash with your script, so you don't want all of that. You want to make sure you are generating a simple password. I have copied this, so use password. So you want to Control V. So you want to use this dashboard. So this, I want you to save these details because you are going to be needing all of this. So come to your notepad, come again and save this password. This is your database details. Save that. This is your password. We need that to be able to configure your backend, right? So once you've clicked on this, you say, well, create a user. So it is going to ask you what? Oh, no thanks, you don't want that. So you want to copy all of these details, right? This is what you use to be able to set up your script. Click on what? Allow all privileges. Once you click on allow all privileges, make sure you copy this. I just copy that. Make sure you copy this user and your database. Copy, Control C. Make sure you copy that and come here and click on what? Next step. Once you are done that, say what? Username was added to database, so your database has been created. So you want to come to this your notepad and paste all these details, right? So you will be needing all these details, right? So I want to go ahead. Let's check if the script has finished uploading. Where is it? I think it's here. Right here. Yeah, so it has finished uploading. So it is 100% and it's showing green. So good. We are good to go. Go back to your cPanel. So look at the script here. We want to go ahead and what? Extract the script. So you click on extract. Where do you want to extract it to? You want it to be in this position, right? So you click on what? Extract files. It is extracting. Allow it to extract. It has finished extracting. So you say what? Close. Click. So this is your backend script. So once it has uploaded, you click on what? Extract. Extract it to where? Extract it to this position. You say what? Extract files. It is extracting. Close. OK. So once you click on extract, it is going to extract, right? And it is going to show you this file. So what you want to go ahead and do what is you want to delete this. You will delete this, right? Don't need it again. So this has been uploaded. So your backend is almost set. So what you want to do is what you want to go and import your database. So how do we import that? Come to your cPanel and search for phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin, right? So you click on that and allow it to open. Wait for 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 it to open. So once it has opened, so you want to locate same database that you just created right now and make sure you import your stuff to it. So want to locate it. So that is Hustle DBBBB. If you could remember, we just created it now. So this is the right database. So you want to go to here and say what? Import. You want to import the file, the second file you want to import, which is what? This .sql. This is your database file. So once you have imported it, you will import that and you come and click on what? Come and click on go. Come and click on go. It is going to right. I want to be sure that this is recording. So allow it to import the SQL file. Allow it to import the SQL file. So your SQL file has finished importing, right? So what you want to do is this. You want to come back to this position. Want to come back to this position. Edit. Yeah. Want to come back to this position. How do we access? So public underscore HTML. Under this, we want to be able to need your desktop to be in your back end. So I want you to do this. Come and right click on, double click on this, select all. When you select all, you say what? Move to where you want to move it to your back end, right? Want to move it to back end. So once you move it to back end, you will be able to access all of that. So you've moved it to back end, so you are good to go. So look at, if you want to see your back end, for you to be able to see your back end, what you should do is what is a hustle-pay.com/paste. Do what? Enter. It is going to show you your back end. Awesome. So this is entirely a new website, but you are the owner of this backend. So what you want to do is this. The next thing that we needed to do is to set up our back end using those details that we collected while creating our database. So we want to come and click on public underscore HTML. Under public underscore HTML, you go to your crypto investments. Under crypto investments, you want to go to back end. Under back end, you want to locate config. Just locate this file, call it config, click on it, it's going to open config, and you want to come to this place, say what, db.php, which is database.php. You want to what, edit this file. Once you edit, you say what, edit again. This is where you are going to use those details that you've gotten to what. So look at this position, right? So you want to come and paste your own details here. So what you want to do is this, because look at this position, you say what, database server localhost database username. You want to change this thing from this to your own database username. That is the database you have access to. So your own database username is what, also of course it will be different for your own. So come here, look at it here, make sure you do this thing correctly, paste it in between this position, paste it here in between this, what is it called, I think semicolon, or what is not semicolon, that's not semicolon, you call it, what is it called, quotation marks, single quotation mark. You paste it in between this single quotation mark. I am clicking on Ctrl V, so you're going to paste there. Make sure it's between these two single quotation mark. So you come to here, collect your database password, Ctrl copy. You come here, where is it, database password, this place you have database password, in between the single quotes you place it there, you paste, right? So another thing you need is your database name. You come here again, collect your database name, right, database, collect it, come here and paste. Make sure it is in between the single quotes again. So you come here, Ctrl V, right? So once you are done with that, you want to come and click on what, save changes, right? Once you click on save changes, it will show you a success sign, close. So you have on save the changes. Are you sure you want to? No, it says save changes. So once you save changes, right, you have made no changes, so close, proceed and close. So let me check if that has reflected. Edit again. Okay, all right, the changes are intact. I want to just confirm these changes are intact. I want to close and want to go ahead and proceed, right? So you can check your config depending on the script you are using. Always check your config.php file to see if there is a database setup that you needed to do there. If there is, you quickly do that. And I think for this script we don't have something like that. Everything is intact like this. Once you are done with that, so you are good to go. Proceed. So check your inc.php. So once you have done that, you are good to go. Get username, right? So you are good to go. So once you are done that, you are good to go at this point. So what we need to do is this. I want you to come here. So How do we get access to our back end? That is what I want to show you right away. So for you to be able to access your back end, you will need to do this. You need to do this. For you to be able to access your back end, this script that we uploaded to this control panel is a full website on its own, but there is a way that we are going to connect it to this website that we copied. We are going to connect the back end to that website, right, so that everything will be working perfectly. So look at it. So once we go to our website hustlemustpay.com, where is it? For you to be able to access this new script, remember that we uploaded it in the back end region, right? For you to be able to access this script, remember we saved it, we uploaded the script under the crypto investment tool, then under that we uploaded it in the back end region, right? So if we want to access that, we just quickly come to this position under crypto investment, crypto backend, and once we click on this, it is going to take us to here. This is an entirely new website. You can decide to use this script on its own as a website, or you can decide to clone an entire website. Maybe you see a website you want to you love it, you want to clone it. Just follow similar strategy that I've shown you, then follow this strategy and connect your back end to that script, to that website. So once we click on register, it is going to take us to a button, right? This is the button. So look at where it's going to take us. We want to come here, copy this link, register link. Once we copy this register link, we want to come and see something here. Once we check on our this, it is supposed to take us, I want to show you something. Copy this link. Once you copy this link, if you look at our website, which is hustlemustpay.com/crypto investments, if you look at this website, once I click on join us, remember it is going to take you to this position. It is going to take you to this position, which is another back end, a back end that you are not, you don't have access to, you don't have full control to. So what we want to do is we want to change this back end to the back end that we have access to, right? So look at the position where this back end is located to. So we want to go and change this link to our own link, right? So instead of come here, so when I come back, so I want to go and change all of these links, login, join us, login, all the links leading to this position. I want to make sure I change the links to my own dashboard link, right? So that when users click on that register link, they will be able to go ahead and register on my own platform and not the platform of the website that I've just cloned, right? So where are we going to effect all these changes? Again, we are going to go to our index.html file. So how do you locate your index.html file? Just come to your public_html, public_html, then go to your crypto investment. Under crypto investment, look for index.html. Look at it here. Say what? Edit again. So once you've edited, allow it to load. allow it to load. Cool, it has loaded. So we want to go ahead and edit the link. I want to find anywhere I see login, I want to replace the link with our own link. I want to log in, so find. So where is it? The first login I'm seeing is here. Look at it here, login. So if you look at this login, there is a link here where you see href, reference. You want to go ahead and replace it with your own link. Make sure the link you are pasting should be in between the double quotation mark. So I want to place my own link there. So I want to find another login here. See what href equals to, I want to replace it. I want to replace it. Where is it? Okay, login. Look at it here. Look, I want to go ahead and replace it. Make sure you are replacing it in between the double quotation mark. I want to go ahead and replace it. So I want to find another login button on this page. So once I find the login, I will replace the link. So this is another login again, login link. I want to go ahead and replace it. Right, where is it? So look at it here. So I want to go ahead and replace it. I have just replaced that. Again, let me find next. Then here another okay, there is. I am going to go ahead and replace it. I am going to go ahead and replace it. Where is it? I am going to go ahead and replace it. Alright, I am going to find another login. Where is it? I think that should be all. Login. So I think I've replaced all, right? So what I want to find again is register. I want to go ahead and register. Once I register, I want to replace the link. I want to find register. So look at the register button here. I want to go ahead and put the same link there, right? Want to go ahead and put same link there. Register. Let me search for it again. Register. Okay, this has been reflected. I see register, login. So here there is another register button. Join us. So once you see join us here means register. So you want to go and do something here. Where is it? Register, right? So it has been reflected. Come here again. Register.html. You want to replace it with your link, right? So find next. Here is another one here. Good. Join us. Register.html. You want to make sure you replace that. Cool. So find next. Again, register an account to build an investment portfolio. You don't have to change that. What you want to change is a link. Make sure you are changing a link, right? So here is another one. Join us again. I want to go ahead and change that. I want to go ahead and change that. I want to go ahead and change that. Make sure you change all of that. So I want to find next. Good. I think these have been reflected to reflected. I think we are good to go. So find next ahref register.php .html. Want to go ahead and change that as well. You want to go ahead and change that. I can't find it again. Just calm down and take your time and do all of this. Okay, look at it here. I found it. So make sure you change it. Okay, Control V, you change that. So I think we are good to go. Register. That's a register button. So what you change is a link, right? So there is nothing to change again. I think we are cool with this. So we can go ahead and save changes. Go ahead and save changes. Go ahead and save changes. I think we are good to go. So close. Are you sure you want to close? Proceed. So if we come to our website, right, and we click on refresh, want to click on refresh, it's going to refresh the website. Once we click on refresh and we come to here and say what, join us, once the people click on join us, boom, it is going to take them to our own scripts. Awesome. So that is it, guys. You have succeeded in creating your own backend, connecting your backend to a clone or a copied website. You have succeeded in doing that. So what you want them to do is what, once your user comes in, they just sign up. So so once you want them to do, once they come here, you want them to just sign up, right? So just put a random name. I'm just trying to sign up. Username, what I want to answer, email address. Let me just choose a email address. The property concept, right? So gmail.com I am going to fill all of these. Let's put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6, and I am going to confirm password. What is it telling me? So I am going to confirm password and create account. So you have successfully registered. Kindly log in. So I am going to click on this to log in. So I am going to enter my details to log in. right now we are done with what? Connecting the links. So when a user comes into this platform, when the person wants to join us, you can go ahead and what? Click on what? Join us. When the person wants to join us, it will redirect the person to where to register, right? So the person is going to register. Say the person's name is, he wants to answer also, right? Want to answer, the person email address is also pay at gmail.com person just needed to fill in details, put in all of these details and put your password. I'm going to select 1 2 3 4 5 6, confirm password 1 2 3 4 5 6. And once you do that, okay, I didn't put my name, I'm putting my name Erin. Just put a random name. I will need this thing when I want to. So for all of that, you just will create account. So the person can now create accounts. So right, so when you say what, you say you have successfully registered, kindly log in. Just paste in your login details. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now log in. And boom. Say welcome back, Erin. Blah 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 blah. This is the name I filled in there, right? So it's telling me I should welcome back. So look at your user dashboard. When a user registers on your platform, look at the dashboard. They are going to have access to their own personal dashboard, their user profile, their name, last name, email address, phone number, dates joined, enter password to confirm profile updates. So what again you need, they can come here under your dashboard, they can come and see their referral link. Even when they want to copy this thing, referral link, and share it with persons that wants to join. Alright, so every other thing is here. So based on if you want to invest, you come to investment plans. These are the available investment plans. Of course, you can configure your investment plan from your back end as the admin. I am going to show you how you can access your admin area right away. So let's go. So this is your user dashboard. For you to be able to access your admin back end, you are going to be using this link. Just go to your link, copy this link. Sorry, that's not the link. Just copy this. This is the link to where the back end is. Just put it there. Put crypto back end and put, instead of user, put admin there. Admin. And you should be able to log in. Right, so it is going to tell you to put in your admin login details. Right, alright, it is going to prompt you to put your admin login details, right? Alright, it is going to prompt you to put your admin login details. How do you get all of these details? For you to be able to get all of these details, come over to your PHP My Admin. Search for this place, PHP My Admin. Get your PHP My Admin. When you get to PHP My Admin, go to your stuff. System will redirect you in a moment. So once you get to here, click on that same database that you created, right? So look for what? Admin. This is the database, right? Allow it to load. So under is the what? Admin. This is your admin. Pretty sure. Look at here, admin here. Click on this admin here. Or the one here. Click on admin here. Allow it to load. And once it loads, you can be able to see your admin login details. It seems network is glitching. Click on admin and it should open. Once it opens, you can here as a wallet, e-wallet. So as the admin here, you can come and change your wallet where you want them to send the money to, right? So look at your admin login details. You want to make sure you come here and you change it to your own. You want to change it to your own. Want to change it to hustle crypto. Good. So we are good to go. Admin, that is your login details. One role reflected. Copy it. So admin123 is your password. So come here and log in. So you want to come here and do what? Control V. Admin123. Admin123. Boom. You'll be able to log in into your backend. This is your admin backend. Don't see. So this is your admin panel. You can see it right away. Admin at Hustle Crypto. Welcome admin at Hustle Crypto. It has already told you that. So what you want to do is this. These are the total number of investors in your website. Total invested, requested withdrawals, online investors. From here you can be able to manage everything. So my package. So what can you be able to do here? So security, you want to change your password. In case you want to change your password from admin123 to something very strong, old password is what? Admin123. Admin123. I want to change it to maybe something very complicated, also to avoid hackers from having access to your backend. You need to make it something very stronger. So you see change password. So I didn't even know what the password look like. I just hope I see it here. Also crypto, that's what I okay. So I say update password, right? You can come here and do all of that. You want to do other settings, admin wallet, you want to change, instead of changing your wallet from the other side, you can from the PHP My Admin backend, you can come here and set it by yourself. Your Ethereum wallet, just put it here. your Bitcoin wallet, your Perfect Money ID wallet ID. You put all of that here, just copy them, come and paste them here, and what, upgrade the details. You just update your details. So what again, investor management. So view investors, you can view your investors from this position, right? Alright, so these are the investors you have already on your listing. You can decide to what, see their details, total profits, email address, username, last name, Bernard, and all of that. Total plan, you can see all the details about them. You can find them here, right? So when you come to manage packages, investor management, you want to come here and say what, manage users. Good. Want to here come here manage users. So you can come here and say what, manage users, registration, investment. You can here come here and say edit. So if you want to come here, you can come here and do what, decide to do some cookie something. You can decide to change their password. When you change their password and when they try to log in, they will not be able to log in and all of that. So you understand what I'm talking about. So this is how you can do it. Once you come here as the admin, you can come here, each of the users, you can go ahead and edit their details. Once you are able to change their password, when they try to log in, it will not allow them to log in because you have changed the password as admin, right? That is why this script is so powerful. You have direct control over your investors and all of that. So you can go here, go ahead and change all of these details. It is your business and all of that. So manage packages. I want to add packages. So view investor packages. So look at the packages that are available. From here you can be able to see the packages that are available. View added packages. These are the packages that you have in your platform as the admin, right? So if you want to say, you can decide to go ahead and add other packages. Add packages. So you want to add packages. What do you want to call a package? The empowerment package. You can call it the empowerment package or whatever. What you just need to fill all these details. Daily percentage increase. How much do you want it to be increasing every day? You want to make it 100% every day. This is a massive package, right? Activation bonus. Want to give anybody that activate this one $2,000. Want to anybody at package duration, it will only last for 3 days. Package price from $10,000 or $100,000 to $1 million for the big boys. Add package. Once you click on add package, it is going to add. Cool. So once you come to what's here, manage packages, you say view added packages, you are going to see that this package has reflected, right? So you can go ahead, delete it, update it. When you update it, you can make some edits. When you say update, it will allow you to edit some part of it. You can decide to a package from 100,000 with numbers there. You don't care. So make sure all these things are just set up very well and you are good to go. Alright guys, so we have been able to design, we have been able to clone, we have been able to copy a Bitcoin investment website. We have been able to connect it to our admin, and we are now fully in charge of everything. So go ahead and follow this step-by-step process that I have shown you, and you'll be able to set up these stuff correctly, right? So if you have any issues, make sure you chat me up. All right, for some of you that have been asking me, how do I get this script? This script is very expensive, but once you are coming from my YouTube channel, just chat me up, say hello hustlemustpay.com, I am coming from your channel, please can I have access to this script? I bought this script very expensive, but I am going to giving you this script for less than $100, right? That means I am going to be giving you this script for something less than 50,000 naira. Ideally, if I'm going to be building this kind of website for you, I charge you for 500,000 naira to 300,000 naira, right? But once you are coming from this channel, I am going to give you a crazy discount, right? So go ahead, follow it step by step, and make sure you deliver the job. Thank you very much. I will keep getting you guys with updates. All right, thank you.